represent for the whole SWAT team. Aim in a Dr. Love. Aim in a Pretty Girl Star. Aim in a Fretdem. Out there. Focus again. It burn on the
Stand boss my system. You wait on Tanya for come brassy. Big up yourself, Paradise Queen. Yandy. Hi, Tisha, honey. Tisha. SWAT team, baby. Shantina, niece. Or just rock and come in and come in and come in and come in. If you can, yeah. And come in and come in. I wish you there so long. My Sagittarius sister. Suki. Alright, hold on. Here she go. Chris Biscuit, big up yourself, honey bunny.
Myself, my sister Suki. On a rolling car. Post. Tell us something, 2020 now. 2021. Now catch me and argue with you.
No way.
Yeah? But one thing me I tell you, say, you see my address where you just get son, me just call the police them and give them, so look out for your son get arrested. Cause look how you dumb now, Puss. Puss, you think, say, what is going on with me and my kids, them is a joke thing, because you cock up a Jamaica, and you know, reach back to England for you get the true. The true, real thing we are going with that case, yeah.
But sister, Dan, big up yourself. But why she give her son your address? She dumb and him live in
You
England.
say me going our son blood clot inbox. This stinking blood clot all underprivileged, hungry belly cranny. Yeah, your blood clot pity them a Zubalin zoo. Yeah, you pity them ugly and dunce and illiterate like dog. First of all, yeah, me, your pa.
Real Jenna. I don't know where Tanya gone.
Man.
Sister, you that break up.
Gone. Me come back.
Eh?
Jesus Christ, if somebody bring your phone and you cut it off, that means say something make you cut it off.
Yeah, cause you that break up. Go and talk. People me just come from work. We are going. I'm here. This are going. Oh, it look like them a ring down Tanya phone and I want Tanya to talk to backside. Me just come from work and me I hear that bullshit. I want to suck pussy Puss. Can't bother with pussy, no. Puss need to go have a dose. Can't bother with them people, yeah. Here she go.
Yeah. I'm not click off the person wants to say, but tell her, say anytime I click you off, my live. One time I click you off, don't call back. Till me call you back, become live. Yeah.
Well, I guess them important. Talk up. What happened? Me not Dana, if me just come home and she said me for press the live because Puss over there give her son Tanya address. So I eat more here where I really are going. Puss is a fucking idiot. Blessing God child, big up yourself. Wait there. You look like me don't know somebody ring off Tanya phone, they don't want Tanya talk. They don't want she talk, I don't know why. Alright, them say me away upon Tanya.
Yeah, stop laughing in here now. So you know, dirty Puss, thinking old Puss. You think that Akim can come on my blood clot yard? You
want see Akim, rolling them one put a prison girl?
No, you want Akim go on the blood clot plane, go home. I dare you. Make blood clot, big pussy Akim call my blood clot phone. Cause you think say I joke thing me the pan with you, Puss. Pussy, na sister, you workless mother. Remember, I know, Akeem no Barney, I know. Akeem no have no rights, yes, so I know. So you are get Akeem me. Cause you know, say, if you didn't leave me alone, all of them tumbling down there where I tumble down fire would happen. But because you tell yourself, say, you're going to win. What is there to win? You're a disgusting person. When you talk the things them, you there for your life and say you never cost me kids them. I'm share it.
Well,
Put
but
it for
Tanya,
my
you know, say
paper,
a lie,
your
you know,
class
say a
the
lie, the
kids.
bitch I tell.
Here are Brittany. Me ever cost Tanya kids them. Like,
Oh, God. And all of them are idiots. And all of them know such shit.
Puss, I have all of the life them come and tell me and you are gonna buckle it out in a courthouse because you have to tell the judge them say, me no show you, me and you watch Amanda and Ralina have sex. First thing I'm gonna ask you, why you never report her? Why you waiting till you and her fall out? Huh? Why you never call police for me Puss and report me? Because you know so what you
I
say and make
lie,
up
she
blood
tell.
clot story.
But nobody don't believe Puss. Everybody knows a Puss a liar.
Hmm? Then you come, you do Annie the same thing. It's nice. Girl, you want to throw dirt for the girl name. I pattern. Who rape? The girl rape. Everybody a rapist to you and who say no you a raper.
Puss a fool. Me don't me tell her Puss. Puss no no
Say
sense.
that
Puss
too. Me
don't.
now look for post.
Puss
I
don't have
last
no
time me I
sense.
address you. Me I come off of the phone here because me just get a message. Important message. So an email just come up. I come off of the live now. Me go angle me thing now. Yeah, because
Alright.
you give up my address to your son to come kill me. So I have to cover my back. Fretdem. Later, people.
I later people.
My number publicly. So what you give him now? Remember, I'm a criminal, you know. I already called the cops. Hakeem, where my name, my address, my phone number. So anything do me and my kids them is blood clot. Janet Bailey. Johnny is Venice. What Janet Venice Bailey. You understand? Because you see you post, me hear you go say something this morning and say somebody gone dead. Somebody gone dead. But you see I know you, me sure on a blood clot me. Me sure on a me coming. I do not know what me not to do. Me not get up and go people yard. Me, if me catch you, then me you kick off. But me not have my rights and give it away. You understand? Remember, I know my address as me call the police them, you know, under 1 second, the police them reach my yard. So if you want a team for go home, you know, send Akeem on my yard. Cause you sit down and think say a joke thing this. You say so I like your
But why everything what happen? Big up yourself, Miss Paulette. Why everything what happen she feel like say are you?
everything what happen she say a me blood
The
clot
video
me.
is online. You know much people there look for that video there. I'm
Me
telling them say
say
remember the
the
video me
dirty
don't know.
video with the naked baby. Me not send it to nobody because guess what?
It's
If
illegal.
me send it out, that's child pornography. And me can get blood clot arrested for it. Pussy have your little granddaughter naked, but naked. The social worker them don't have it already. They have it already because me go tear. Pussy, so when I'm done with you, me want
But
a team trying it.
you see, what Puss need to go do, a social media blender she need to go argue
Yeah,
with.
yeah.
And she should have
Yeah,
had to
come
say
the
social
Akim.
media blender cut
Akim.
out some of
So
it.
pussy Akim. Akim we fucking mother. Akim we fuck out Madonna all. Incest, blood clot, Akim. Greater face, Akim. Akim, member, send out to your way of work, me know, you know. Me have your date of birth. Yo, Akim, you better don't make your mother pump you up. You better don't make your mother pump you up. You think so you can't step to me in the United Kingdom? You can't step to me, Akim. You step to me. Me say, me want one now to come on me yard. Me want one now to come on me blood clot yard. And me know say me go lock me up at first. But me know say me go come out back. Because I self-defense.
Yeah, because them come at your
Every
yard.
single thing, Pussy, Red Bull, Tanya, Red Bull, to our women a blood clot do. She said me do.
Me I hope for 20. Big up yourself, Janet. Me I hope for 2021. She finds something else to do with her life. I swear to God, come in and look
Go
her
look
need a
something
poop.
for blood
Me maybe
clot
poop
too.
up in her blood clot.
You're the pan life for morning. Your granddaughter nakedness but blood clot the pan social media blender. Go message him and tell him to take down the video. The whole blood clot world see it. Say the little baby naked pan there. But you argue with me. What you arguing with me? I just talk about it. You know long I know about that video. But you know
exactly,
say,
we never bring it up because we never want
a
nobody to
baby
see.
and that is
But
not
because she
something
attack,
share.
now people who go up on social media blend. I now go see it. Me go tell you now which date. I now go over there. Me go check it again and me go tell you now which date. And I go see how the woman.
I
And she
don't.
happy say social media cut out the part when she da kiss the little girl vagina. Social
Yeah,
media
when she
blend
kissing
cut out
the
enough
part, they
of it.
cut out. But the part where she stripped the baby, you
That
can't see
part
so
is
she kiss
there.
the
I
baby
know that
up
part
there,
is
so.
there.
But the part where she was kissing the baby, it cut out. No, I know me video it. I know me put it up. So all the blood clot, oh, my name reaching at it. Oh, my name, Puss. You know long, me know about that video there. But you see when children are involved, I tend to steer away from certain things. Right? And if
True, because we could
somebody,
have tell people say if you look on the video and we refuse. We never mention the video because we never want nobody go over there and look on the
yeah,
little girl
and your son
nakedness. And
passport,
I never even
they
put up the
all
video.
over the place. From last year, down to your big friend Erica. And Erica was the first one said it gonna get buried. Saying at the end of the day, everything to them here say one fake page. When the Queenie lady gangster. Tanya, a red boat. When she click on it, a Queenie herself. Queenie herself. And then the fool them over there and look and realize, say, this woman
Real talk,
obsession
Dan. I
over my
hope she
life.
find peace. Me not lie. I hope for 2021 me have to go put in
She
a prayer
cannot
for
find
her.
peace. Now look what she do now. She take her son. Puss know what me will do. Puss, you know. Puss as my witness, so you know what I'm going to do to Akeem. And you send your son. You take up your son and you send your son for being in a
She
problem
don't
because
mean
I
her
tell you
kids
something.
them no
I
good.
already emailed it to the police and say anybody come at my house. I see anything do me Puss. You know Akima got prison feet. Look how you're wicked to your kids them. Puss, you're not tired to bring down your kids them. You're not tired. You're not tired for curse your belly pain them. Eh? You're not fucking tired. No, you have the baby strip butt naked on the internet. And what you gonna say? It's fake. And me do it. And Tanya do it. And a good somebody going to your son inbox and take it off and drop it in her inbox. When you come out and say, me, Tanya, will have it all along. Why me never blood clot to
All
it?
right, drop it. Does she show
Huh?
you say?
Why
And
you
look how
know?
much things she go on with. Look how much things she say about Kali, about Raleigh, about all of your kids,
Look how
about
much things
Amanda.
she
You
tear
still
down me
never
kids
drop it.
them. She make up with Uku. I told her the social worker call me and me and her reason. She make up with Uku. Me say people the amount of time Uku call social worker. One of the time them have to tell her, I think she stopped now because them tell her say if she call one more time, them gonna lock her up because they know them are monitor the call. They are monitoring the calls. You understand the length of abuse and harassment sexually, mentally. I told them can't come physically. Because the whole of them are coward. All of them are coward. All of them are coward.
Don't worry, no, you soon get justice, man. Puss soon come back at
I don't know
England for
what woman to kill her
2021.
blood clot self. Puss not kill yourself, go put a rope and hang yourself. Don't make 2021 catch you ugly and naked and hungry. Dirty old woman. Dirty thinking old girl. Eh? You fuck up yourself. Now look at you. Yo, me not lie no. Puss. Me never know say a woman can have 6 liter. 6 liter of handicap pitney and done said pitney. Cause you know say your son did have sense. Your son would come for your life. Him would come for your life.
Him dumb. Whosoever send him the video, Tanya, him should have said, yo, thanks for sending the video. Him mother, him should have go after.
Him could come for your life. And make you argue up my address car. Your mama now tell you say, I should reach, she'll get locked up. Your mama now tell them something. She not tell you the truth. So she'll try for you go to prison. Cause what? All in a puss head. Me I go win. Me I win. Me I win. Me they a lead.
But all she a win and she not say she not win. Win where? Win what?
Thinking old girl. Which for you win drunk crow? Dead dog. Which for you blood clot win? What you winning? Big stink crusty and you batty man you go. Me now stop tell you again, you're not going no blood clot European country. Any European country you go, me I fly out and come over there for you. Me promise you that. So sacrificing me and my children then for you reach a Germany, you wasting your time. You waste 1 year I had with a stinking, rusty, crusty, ugly, muggly, looking, man looking, bash. Yeah, that you do. You waste your fucking time. When you gonna get out tight? Nothing. You stay right there, Jamaica. Be yourself, Kalia. Come on and drink your tobacco.
Puss need to take the piece of jeans where she rip off and tie it around her.
Rip up jeans. Look how the woman naked. Look how close cheap in a fire the woman take her pants and cut it. Eh? Akim, you know to say you're dopey bad. You know to say you're dopey bad, Akim. You make your mother, look how you eat that. You make your mother. I give you out a woman address where she's harassing the woman over here and her kids them. Police, as I call them, 1 second. My house is protected, right? I shall send you come, call my number and come on my house. You understand? Your mother couldn't love you. Because if your mother didn't love you, your mother would have said, me not get my son involved because the girl there one dangerous girl. But no. All this is to you. You don't give a fuck about Akeem child, mother and a child. You do not concern. All you concern over all of the ears them post is me, myself, and I. Oh, God is me. That when I found out, that's all you care about. Yourself. When you start having children, you put yourself out through the window and put your kids them in front of you. You blood clot 1 year, Madonna. You Madonna, you over there this man that come talk about. My daughter, meet my daughter upon deathbed. And me make my daughter, Madonna, you forget say 4 months you stay in a blood clot hospital with tuberculosis and a 1 lung you live off of. Me no understand Puss and our kids them. Madonna, you blind out of 1 eye. And you barely see out of the other. One of your lungs gone. And you barely can breathe. And you have a cup of your mother life at all about somebody who is ill. Oh, my daughter, the mother they can't dead left Amanda. Mother, they be careful, they don't catch COVID. Yes. Because 1 lungs you have. You understand? So when your mother pump you up, juice you up, and you come, try remember, say, a 4 months you stay in a hospital. 1. 4 months.
Bright with her 1 year still. Better go sit down.
Well,
But she have to cock up in her room and can't come out.
4 blood clot months and people. Puss, why when they gonna stop lying? Your life from you, how much ear will your line is now getting away? I never said I don't meet a mother. You Puss say you come on my yard. You Puss come on my yard. I mean, that's a lie. You never come on my yard. When Madonna come for the backyard and they close them for you go. Outside, right to the front of my yard, the door, I'm see her with a big, thick, strong, blood clot African man. I'm call you, I'm say, what a big, shine, black African man your daughter there with. And you laugh. Oh, she love them when it's big. Puss, remember say you always a complaint to you not get no fuck say. All mother na do a lockdown and fuck, you know. I take your money and spend your money by be a takeaway, you know. That's why you're quick to come and say, me chat my kids them. Why? Because you chat your daughter. You're there in your house. And mother na don't look for you. Mother na cook and do half of your piece of chicken. You think my daughter, me and my daughter live like that? Hmm? You think me and my daughter live like that? Why does other sick people love? Exactly, Amanda. Mother not sick, but at least Amanda not blind. At least me and mother make she get the tuberculosis injection when she a baby, so she can't catch tuberculosis. So the reason why you catch tuberculosis, Madonna, because your mother workless. The basic injection, where that's free in Jamaica, that is free. And you carry Madonna over here when she watch your one. And you still never blood clot, make you go get the
Dirty
injection.
mother Puss, stinking
Oh,
Puss,
your
and that you
dirty
have to go
blood
worry
clot.
about.
Madonna and blood clot, tough, nearly dead with the blood clot tuberculosis. So, how you I come talk about, Manda, I should know her daughter soon then. Madonna, Maya then left Manda. Address up your talking before you talk. Address it up.
Oh, Tad, I'm bright. I wish
Address
best
it
on
up
people.
before you talk. You understand? Because you did in an intensive care for 4 months. Nearly dead. I'm nearly dead. Madonna, then you come out now and come say, oh, why she make her daughter do this? Why you all so big, Madonna? Madonna, why you clean out over Acne and all of Redbridge? Madonna, why you do that big, thick, ugly African man there? Me could have said a lot of why about you. So you don't come in and why? You, why is ever daughter and a daughter soon dead? You blood clot soon dead too. Kaya one lungs, yeah, go pan. So if
Oh,
you catch the
Tad.
COVID in it is a Ghana. Try think about when your mother pull up on the head, a fuckery, and I get to the involved after she sit down over 1 year and add, for me and my kids them, attack all type of things and things that she affect my life. Big pussy girl, you know, affect my blood clot life. So you give a suck pussy son my blood clot address. Akim, watch me and you. Watch me and you, Akim.
Akim now do
Akim,
nothing.
watch me and you. Watch me and you. You're not blood clot, Banya. Akim, you think
Puss
so? Me not
idiot.
have my little man
Akim now
friend
no
them
sense.
all
No, no,
over.
say mother set him up. I guess Puss
You
want
think
all
me
our
not
people
have?
there to go to Jamaica.
Me say, Akim, why you come on me yard? Come on me yard, Akim.
Nah, come nowhere.
Your mother have a
Akim
lot
no
of
time to
enemy. Me is not your mother enemy alone. Your mother sit down on social media, fuck around people. So, if somebody willingly for coming at your inbox, where your baby they naked, where you're supposed to sit down and figure out what you're gonna tell the social worker when them come knocking at your door. Don't make your mother have your part internet and threaten the people. Akim, remember when them lock you up, when they go up on the blood clot train and I threaten the people them? Akim, oh, do you forgot? Akim, do you what? You don't remember? You don't remember that you threatened the people them on the train and the police them come at your house for you? When them watch it, when them watch go back the CCTV, them pick up your face, them do a face
Recognition.
Recognition, yeah. In the train station. And them threw him already in the system for Grand Theft Auto and all the things them. Whoop, them just come and yard for him. So Akeem, you don't remember all of those things? Oh, you want me to remind you? You want me to remind you? Make your mother tell you who she play with. Make your mother tell you. Make she tell you Akeem, you're a bad man. You think that me could get people invite me and people over at me and them side there? But what? Me I deal with pussy law we
Akeem better go sit down.
Akeem, move your greater blood clot face. Akeem, move your blood clot pervert self from yourself. You can't chat to me,
Find out
Akeem.
him can take all the way
Akeem,
more
I the first one
online.
start fuck your sister them. Don't do it, Akeem. You don't come on social media and think that you can do me no. You can't do me no. I dare you call my phone. And hey, Puss. I love when you do the things them. I love when you do the things them. I love when you threaten me and my kids them. I love when you put me and my kids them life in danger. You're sending your son on me.
Don't worry, Tanya, she'll get what she want, man. She soon come back to England in 2021. Watch.
You understand?
She really doesn't care about her children for real. Because it look like she want all of them to be deported. I think so.
Yeah,
She
man,
crazy.
she want them to get deported, man. Because what she do now, she not think I say. But a girl that Tanya will call police for my son. She will. Me not gonna go there, sir. Me not gonna go there, sir.
She don't care.
Because why me gonna get my son involved? And me going there, son inbox, whisper, show me proof. You have
But look
proof.
how long you could have gone her son in back, so you choose not to go because you not care. As much as she bring down your pity them, you never care about she.
That's what she do, Storm. Puss really doesn't care about her children, and this is sad. It's sad. It's sad because remember saying no, if Akeem get himself in a no more trouble, you know, straight home him a go, you know. Pussy really sit down and I give Akeem address publicly, Puss. Puss, I know me know you're fully done. Puss, you're fully Jamal.
So what she gonna say? She not do it?
She do it. I have it. I already
Yeah,
said it to what the people in all time.
Me see.
Puss, you really is stupid. You really don't love your kids them. Tonight, prove set. Nobody shall fight and do the things them. What with them? Shall get trouble. Shall fight, shall crash, shall bite, shall do all type of things. Tell us the local girls are warrior. Me train her, so. Me train her, so.
She's a crazy girl. She said I put them in a trouble. She don't have no
Send
sense.
her son in a trouble like you think say. Post a son don't born here. So you're gonna make your son give up his entire life. Go to jail, left him
Over one
daughter.
address. Over your address.
Do
I said
all of them some of
important.
them for what post their internet beef. Me hear your man tell you, you know somebody's gonna die, you know. But me know say it's not me, he's gonna die, you know. Cause me pick and choose what to do. Me not make no Satan control me. Yeah?
Yeah, Miss Pilot. Yeah, well,
Miss Marley, Miss Marley can ask. Miss Marley, I already. But that's a come for make him know, say. Him name back in the system, so. How dare you? How dare you, Akeem? Who you fucking think you is? You think you can step to me? Try remember say me no live alone, you know. I would think say rallying soft. Rallying a soft, don't like me.
Alright, but then keep thinking that. Let them know the man are going to protect him family. I wouldn't hear about.
Rallying the blood clot soft. Rallying
Yeah,
one
she
come
wants
and
to I
blood
pick the
clot,
God jail just like how she met the other one God jail. And I picked them so dumb them man. I realize we are gone. One of them brother come out, so it's like say It's a trade thing. One go in, one come out, one come out, one I go in. Kiss me blouse and skirt.
Wait, let me read one letter.
Yeah.
Yeah, you stupid
Them
Puss.
are in and out, in and out. I don't know what kind of woman that. Love fear
You
putting
have to
them
say
in
you're
and out
wicked,
of
girl.
jail.
You have to say you're wicked, girl, and you don't love your pitney them. Cause you the love your pitney them. You could have never tell your son, you give your son my address. And you know say me a blood clot police preggy. Eh? You don't know say my house protected Puss. Eh? So what you do now? You get your son involved. You want your son. You know, see? You want your son. Eh? You want your son to go home now. So you send your blood clot son. And what your son can say? Show a fake page and say, the reason why him come stab me, shoot me, come tell the police them say on the live, say him have a gun. Right? And him gonna come shoot me. I'm scared for me and my kids them life. I'm so scared. You understand? You idiot Puss. You big blood clot waste, girl. You mash up your pin in them youths. You turn them in a baboon. You turn them in a criminal. You turn them in a prostitution. And you come now. Your big son and live him life. You are the one who post that fucking video. You are the one that do the live. And the baby's on YouTube naked.
Exactly.
Auntie Paulette, I
Them
wanna
all the
see
time, Miss
I
Paulette.
wanna see
Same so
people them
dad.
going down
Remember
inbox.
there?
Remember now, me and Pussa war era at. Why me never going down inbox all the time there? People looking to it, you
Exactly.
know.
Exactly. I should bring down your kids them
What
so many
happened
times.
is
Your man.
I post the link to the video on YouTube on my page. And I said I'm not putting the video because that's child pornography. And if me ever do that, them just come pick me up. So me can't have my rights and give it away. So me say the baby is on YouTube, butt naked, and her grandmother is assaulting her. What you should do, Akeem, is sit down and I pray, oh, you're gonna get yourself out of this. Where your big pussy careless blood clot, mama put it in her. But what you do? I team up. Oh, go our yard. Akeem, go our yard. Go
But
our
I want to know
yard.
what she send Akima your yard to do. That's what I want to
Me
know.
don't know what she said Akeem and my yard go do. What Akeem coming to my yard to do? Puss? Eh? You know to say you're a dragon. You know to say you want dragon, mama. You know to say you don't love your son. Because you don't love your son. Me and the boy that tell you say, him don't want to really get himself in another trouble cause Akeem, you already. It was on your mother life. Your mother is abusing me, and when I get up Monday morning, I'm calling Redbridge, Acne, all the boroughs them who nearby in that area they were Puss live. I have your date of birth and your full name, Akeem, and I'm going to ring them and let them know how you are supporting your mother, bully and harassing a mother of 6, and you threatened me. You threatened me and said you're going to come and shoot up my house. So me, I have to protect myself and my kids.
See him so.
Lots of her team Puss was on that live. They were on my live and I was talking about it. And I said, I'm not going to post the video because that's child pornography. I am not stupid. I will never do that. Look how long we have the fucking video. Huh? But the only
Look
thing,
how long we know it on the
me
internet
send,
and on
me
YouTube.
put the link so people can say, oh, stupid you are, Puss. Them say when you're on in a lion mouth, you take your time and dry it up. But you, Puss, you push your whole body. Say lion bite it off. You push your whole body. I never buck up on a woman who so determined to tear down a next woman where she never meet in her life. Right? You said your daughter stood up on the doorway. I never say I never meet Madonna. I meet Madonna once. I said I never meet you, Puss. Because you on your life, I said, oh, I come on yard, Puss, I never come yard. You never come on me yard, Puss. Stop with the lies. Stop with the lies. You never, ever come to my home. So stop telling lie. For man, you know, nobody message me. She go live with Madonna. She go live with she did it. Post. The time and the energy you're wasting on you think about that you go into prison for child pornography and that pretty little grandbaby, because I'm not gonna bash Trinity. You will never see her. You can never go near her. That's you have to think about and stop coming on live. That's not going to solve the problem. What you think violence going to solve the problem? So you think that, oh, you're going to send your son to call me and bully me. Bully a bull? A bully going to bully a bull? You must have fucking joking. Huh? You think I afraid of Akeem? Puss go sit down. Go sit down. Them say when plant the one dead it short. 1 year I had now you're there on the internet. And to your pity them fully dance like you. Instead of they make you know say you're in a lot of shit. Shall make you join the live. And you give your son.
Remember,
Your son
all of them are the same thing, you know.
the last charge where him get, him assault 2 people at the train station. 2 people, you know. And the police them go film your yard, you know. Puss, you really, really want your son go home? Puss, you really put a serious note, Puss. Or your son reach in a my thing, you will give your son my address and my phone number. I never go in your son inbox. Look how I'm here. Look how one more than your team Puss them. I laugh for you. All of them will laugh for you. Because they know what's going to reach you. So one of them know, go in your blood clot son inbox, shop the passport.
It could be anybody. It could be anybody who see the video.
The video is there. The video is on social media fucking Blender. How the fuck me have nothing to do with this? I like the fucking video. Post, let me tell you something. You see all these war? Huh? Shadita said,
I would have shown you.
Look out, Caris. You know I'm on my live. Why are you making so much noise? Ooh, this man. Listen, people. Post, when you come in a Kiara inbox and drop your pussy and drop you go hood. When you're fine, I look a 14-year-old, 14, and I tell her so she want to fuck you go. Man, that the same thing. I never, ever going on none of your kids them blood clot inbox. But just because I like the video, and the video is disturbing. It is.
Yeah, but anybody
you know how much pedophile is out there take on that video, wanking themselves over that little baby bum? Pussy, you are a sick motherfucker. And instead of you try, so make me try to do right by this, you sit down, pan live, now wash your pussy, now brush your teeth, stink and rusty as always. Have your children them on the live, putting your children them in trouble. Because all you're doing to Akeem is getting Akeem in trouble. You're not doing nothing. You are putting Akeem in trouble. And I'm not going to afraid to lock up Akeem. Because I don't know him. I don't know him and I don't trouble him. So I don't know how you feel tell your son, say, and me going to inbox when you have so much enemy. You own people them for your life. You own fucking people them on your life. Send that blood clot video. I set it up like me. Always gonna be. Oh, I red boat. I
Exactly.
Tanya.
I look much people in her life post. Plus, grab and see.
Today when Queenie go over her page, she a ball out say me make page now Queenie. Yes, so when she press on it and Queenie come on, Puss, how you feel? How you feel? Like these are the things where them don't sit down and watch and see say, the woman is obsessed with me. Puss, I don't watch your live. People send me clip if it's important. Okay,
Like what
baby.
you said to the important to the case.
So it's
Dark shit.
important today because threat was made on the internet, was made towards me and my children, and yeah, thank the people them who sent it to me. You understand? And you turn round, you turn fucking round and want to blame me. How I read Puss for the last time me I say it, I don't watch you. I don't. I'm sick and tired to hear the same story. Tanya Obia Waka. Tanya did this. Tanya begin stink. Tanya pussy a son. Man that pussy dirty. Man that pussy stink. Man that that's your 100 belly. Like, the obsession is real. Like, really and truly. There is no page in her kid's name. No people in her children inbox like they're in mine. Exactly, my daughter. She herself coming here inbox and now she's on her live, playing victim, saying, oh, Tanya, come. Puss, I know better. They said, who know better, do better. Puss, men I done said, me did a country for 21 years. I me adapt by the English way. Big up yourself, Saskia.
Saskia, big up.
Me know say certain things you can do and certain things you can't. Because in the end of the day, up in this country, all if you do the crime, 100 years, and them get evidence, I see you, them a come for you. Them a come for you. You're sick, Puss. You're a sick fuck. You're sick. Hurry up and come a blood clot England. You go see the West is one. You go see how I deal with you. You can't do me nothing. Social worker loves me. Police loves me.
Puss a fret and I don't
When
know
your
why she
record
keep
clean
dig
like Jesus
herself more and
Christ,
more.
you cannot report a person who is not be knowing to a civil servant. Civil servant, we call our police, doctor, soldier, social worker, nurse, pastor, all people who drive the ambulance. We call them civil servant. Why? Because they work for government. That's a government job. So those people loves my. So at the end of the day, when they sit down on the plan for me, now you Nikki British, we still are wait to be locked up. Still waiting.
Yeah, we're upon the cocaine. They look like she has
Still
sleep with her
waiting.
fatherless.
Oh, Tanya, you're on benefit. Tanya, you're upon the clean money. Da-da-da-da-da. When I realize, what did I realize, say? You cannot do me nothing. Suppose that for your last, now we know. And your last like this, so you're going to watch how me go fix your Akeem. See that job that Akeem have? Don't worry, me have people who can knock him name in the system. And exactly where I work. Watch me and you. You should have bring Akeem for your life. You're a dumb fucking bitch. You are a dumb, dunce, huge, ugly. You're ugly inside and out. Bad mind not kill you. All you want to do is wake up and hear, say, you know what? Tanya house catch a fire and she and her kids them die.
Never that.
Boss, never. God have my back. Puss, you know why you always attack about me I do iniquity? Remember, no, you live for iniquity, you know, Puss. You did that go get ring, you know, gathering for Doogie, you know. And when Doogie, the ring did that hold down Doogie, you know. The same like, oh, you got friend tell me say you carry one chain. One silver chain where you put pan you go neck. After you put that chain pan you go neck, you go is never the same. Why go on, Wayne? I talk truth, Wayne. She depend life for morning. I'm not pay no mind. Me not pay handicap, Madonna. Madonna, you're handicap. Me not look for you. You're retarded. Madonna, show the whole of the house. Because you're dirty and nasty. You don't clean house. Show the people them, oh, you're nasty and dirty. You don't even wash drawers. So I know you're depend. You're coming to act like you're decent. You're not decent. The whole of the blood clot fuck out your hole. The whole of the dancehall man, them done out your belly bottom. I can't cuss you, mother, because you're 27 years old. So I can't cuss out your blood clot. See, I'm like, us, the Mondo, this. I can't cuss Mondo. I can't cuss you, blood clot, fucky box, Madonna. You know if you call nobody sick.
Madonna
You know if you call nobody sick because your mama never make you get a tuberculosis injection. How dare you, Madonna, talk about my princess? Madonna, your mother make your mother before you reach your age. As much as my kids them in the house, yeah. Me get up and look after the young one. Me not ask Kiara. Me not ask Manda. If Kiara get up and say, oh mom, just relax. I'm gonna bought the kids and all that and whatever. I said, okay, thank you, baby. But I'm not gonna get up and say, Kiara, God be at the kids then. God do this. God do that. No, I'm not. Allow me to take care of. I don't force you to look out for your sibling. I won't. You're not their parents. You have to live your children's life.
True.
You have to be on the phone talking with your friends, them they put your Snapchat to Twitter with them. TikTok and all of it. The young people them things. Yeah. I make my children them be children. So you know when they grow up, they're gonna sit down and say, you know what, child, my mother allowed me to enjoy my youth. My mother don't burden me and said, because let me tell you something about them English children, you know. Them we carry a goddamn grave. Yes, Tom. You can't boast upon me with your dirt bag them when you finish school. Me can't come and boast in my nice, educated, blood clot children, them.
Puss pity them are
Puss
be a convict. Them are educational convict. That's what Puss kids are.
The woman are mad over my life. Jesus Christ. I never see.
You need to stop showing the good food
get
and
up.
the kid tell you.
Yes, him still have on the chain on him neck. Yep.
Him need to take it off.
Puss. My name, when I build a song? Build a song. Build a song about me. I still you can go vice it. You're a sick person. I don't me say. Me not stop cause I teach you dead. Puss. You know why you gonna drop down and dead though? Remember me tell you this. You are gonna drop down and dead. Because you're there on live from about how much o'clock in a Jamaica. You couldn't lay down in your bed with your man. Cause Tanya, wake up, Tanya, eat, Tanya, bed, Tanya, brush teeth, Tanya, bumbleclot. Your big stinking old crew can't say your obsession. You're obsessed with me.
When you see people them not come for the life.
4 days ago, like up the whole post, stay up anyway, I block you. You know my black car when she come back and she make a page in a Hugo Williams. And boom, add me. I just kindly take her off. Post. Stop me. I will never speak to you. Never in a million. Never in this lifetime. And I'll if me dead and going to one different lifetime. I will never speak to you. You need a fucking life. That's what you need. A life.
I really want to.
She need a life. And none of them now tell her the truth. None of them I tell her say, you war with a man family for 1 year and odd. And yet still you say, you get the man Puss. I know you got get L, because you have to make him go somewhere. But when you go don't know, you're going to sneak and run and left him. Because she don't have no money.
Spend out you go money, you go say smarty, I got
What?
dead.
Go and go drink it now. A pineapple juice. I know, you like it? You like pineapple juice? Alright, drink, go and go drink some.
I like it so much.
Yeah, I really might fit because I love pineapple juice. Real pineapple juice, not fake one. Yeah.
Yeah.
You want pineapple juice? Make tell Carrie Spirit. Yeah, man, that she. So she said, baby, you know, I want pineapple juice. Post. I saw me and my kids them live. I not care all them all, me baby them up. And Manda coming at this war because you put Manda in this war.
And she
When you
disrespect the
start the
man there.
war, Manda went over your page and Manda said, Puss, take me and my sibling out of you and mom argument. We are innocent and we're not supposed to be in big people's argument. Your cuss her, your class her, you saw her all big. So she come and she defend her sibling, she defend her mother, she defend herself. But now, here you know. What you are doing now, we know. You are send your son come as somebody yard. In a country where your son don't ban him, not the ties in here. Puss, me will send your son home. So if your son ready to go up on the plane, what else? Oh, she get lipstick from? Come here. Why you say, hey, Fretdem? Fretdem, you have to come. Fretdem, you have to come take her. Watch her. Yeah. Watch her. Go put her mouth. Watch her.
I watch her laugh.
Hey,
Watch her laugh.
Mr.
She
No, look for the baby peer. No time to no there. Eh, ja, watch her. She gone again. Go give mommy a kiss. Kalia, you know see her fatty. I get fat, you know. Pass on nappy for me and wife, please. Kalia, you realize that you have to change your 10 times a day? Kalia, you know say you have to stop the things them and walk and mess up yourself and take out the sister them lipstick.
When King Wagwan.
Weird. No, relax. Let me change it. I'm changing you, mama. I'm not doing you nothing bad.
Kalia put her lipstick and Kalia come out and laugh and I go, hey, that little girl, man.
She pierced her lipstick all her clothes. Jesus Christ.
Hey, Kalia say when I put her lipstick, me I put her lipstick too.
Hey,
I want
she
to
bad,
hear
she
about
bad. She she tear up everything in the part. Let me not
yeah.
know the first baby this for have when. Me I tell you the truth. Our temperament, it's different from the other kids. No matter say me tell her, I said, don't. Because she's going to do it.
Girl say.
What's your grudge me from a pick of them? Your grudge me from a Kalia, let mommy change you. You know, mommy warned you and tell you that when she's changing you, I'm wiping you off the lipstick off your skin. Don't laugh. I'm not laughing with you. You're naughty and naughty and naughty. Pass a tap here, Kim. Cause
Why do my iPad is soft to a cent? To a cent.
yeah. Yeah, get your son. You think I'm afraid of blood clot, Akeem? I think Akeem can't step to blood clot me. Akeem, come on me blood clot house.
Waste of time.
No, pass another one. One of the things that you rally now come by social media. And Act like him have a big clitoris. No, I don't want that one. Look on in the top one. All of yes, find one of these. There's so much in the drawer. Yes, one there. Yeah, pass it, pass it. You think say on the thing say to the sister rallying sit back and rallying don't really I do the rallying is not a mama man. But I guarantee when I want to come here, I want to see the real countryman. I want to see the real countryman come out tonight. Caris, every time you see me on the live, you make noise. Yeah, but she's not annoying you. You just don't want nobody to say nothing to you. Come on, me yard now. Send your son on me yard. That one wicked bitch. That one, oh, sorry for that again. Pass an apple back and put that in now. You're a wicked fucking bitch. You're not a good mother. What kind of mother? I gotta take up our son. And I give our son. Somebody, I just wait post. Me say I to them here and the social worker them a talk about you. Today, we are talk about you. But me, I gonna make you wish you never fuck with me and my kids them. In the
Well, I
blood
time for
clot
she learn.
United Kingdom. Puss try remember say them despise you like pies. Stop act like say you're a good mother. And you do something good. You know why Akim come for your life and mother now? Them fully blood clot, Jamal. Them brains can't process what is happening. The baby is naked. Her own grandmother stripped the baby naked and it's all over YouTube. You
But
don't
it's something what
understand what
them
is that,
regular
Akim?
used to. And something what them probably always do.
Akim! What wrong with your brain, numbskull boy? Numbskull boy! You don't realize you can lose your baby before that. So for your blood clot, hey, look how God good. Wait a mama, that's what I Puss a uku when them call the social worker. Them tell the social worker say, oh my baby them naked. Police. My baby them naked. My baby them naked on YouTube. And me advertise them. Where you take a stock, who advertise our grandbaby on YouTube? Like, you know, like Puss. Just hurry up and
God
come back to
nasty.
England, man. Hurry up and come back to England, man, and stop with the lipping, man. What you hear, boy? What you think, say? Can't keep my address, I keep can't come do me nothing. You know, say you don't like your kids, them. You know, see, remember, if me are going to Akeem inbox, and the only reason why me not going to use my page, because I already report him, I'm going to want me going in his inbox, go tell him, say, pussy, come touch a button. Come see me here, touch a button now. Hey, come see me here, touch a button now. Yeah. Me would have gone in his inbox, no. But me not give him my rights, because I'm an idiot.
Real
They are going to have inbox so them can show police and say, this is what she doing. She coming on my son inbox. And he was only defending
But
himself.
look how long you did it, you never go in my inbox.
But you ex-auntie talk to no. But
Real
you never
darling
put
and
it
big
on
up.
YouTube. That video is been social media blender for how long? And I know about the video. I don't understand how she act like say I'm me.
It's
Me tell
a
her what put to
social
man.
media blender.
Me tell her what
On
she do.
YouTube.
Tell Akeem say me I run social media page. That's what Puss do. Remember me tell you no. That's what she do. She tell her son that is me behind the fucking page.
Or you for the behind the page. Look how long you could have yo, them not no
We
sense,
don't know
man.
how she stay already, man. We don't know how she twisted,
Baby,
man.
everybody knows social liar.
She tell her son that, huh?
I'm making this up. I'm making this.
Like, hey, me nah, let me put it them, hey, Puss, me put it them, you know? Jesus Christ.
I'm gonna make an ugly picture for her.
Them hate you, man. Bad to bad. No. You tell Akeem say I'm social media blender. And me run the page and me put up him data. This is how you twisted. Post and I realize that everything where you try to do me turn round back for you. She
I want the
really
people them.
real.
I want the people them a watch it.
All right. Sick up in my data. She still up on her life and she said, Tanya make her daughter. Now look at now. The video is out on YouTube with the baby but us naked. Puss is kissing up the baby, all part of her body. I come and talk about it, and the people them go by social media go look see it. What she do now? Tell her son that is me own social media blender. That is what she tell her son now. But Puss, just remember say everything you
But
do
how
me.
you supposed to have the page?
I don't know. Because I don't own social media blender. Some of them know all the blood. Hey, what's up? The tag social media. Let me tag social media blender over here. Let me
Social media
call
blender good
social
all a
media
laugh.
blender to the front and ask him who own that page. You have the same identity. Calling social blender to the front. Because I need to ask this gentleman or woman who, I don't know if it's a man or a woman behind this page. I want to ask him if it's me running the page. Fuck out of here, man.
But exactly.
What's fucking wrong with you?
If I you that run it, why you that have them kind of headline there, them something there? You did go and put up puss shit. Of course, these people is fucking dumb.
When me listen to the fuckeries, where is the one social media blender? Come on, him come type up. Come on, ask him if
You know, see, I'm mad.
who on the
Do it for a man
page.
or a woman.
Her son need to do his homework before. Exactly when he know his mother is a troublemaker. All he have to do is do his research first. Then him over there, him mother give him address and I say, me own social media platform. Like, Puss, get the fuck out of here. Puss, remember when in the report
And that's
social...
me as Miss Pilot. Tanya go run social media blender. I have only for
Exactly,
post
this is
video
how
at
wicked
the
she is. These are the things when I tell people say, she sit down and she try. Puss, you only big up yourself, Tyra. Big up yourself, brass.
She don't.
You cannot do me anything.
Brass,
You've been trying for over a year.
Diary,
It's failing. You know what? Because Akeem is innocent, I say me never conscience. And I know when people...
Wait if you come at your yard first. If him out and show up at your yard, you deal with him good.
Akeem, no, I already report him. Because remember saying my police would up on my case and I have her email, So she said anything happen, me for send it come give her. And so I call, me report Akeem. Because I want to report him first. But Akeem, I'm a mother. And what me I gonna do to you, I wouldn't want nobody do to my child. But me I warn you, Akeem. Do not bark up the wrong tree. Do not bark up the wrong tree, Akeem. Akeem, do not make your mother drag you down in this. As Erica would have said, manufactured war. Erica, you were the one started the war. And then you act like you're innocent. So in the end of the day, Akeem, I'm going to think like a mother. Because I know Puss wicked. Me know how Puss wicked I stay. And me gonna just sit back and watch if you gonna come on my yard.
Yeah, if him come here, yeah, you deal with him nasty.
Hmm?
Hey, no, Tanya.
What?
Right.
What? Ask yourself this, Akim. What's the reason you're coming in my yard for? I wasn't the one posted out on social media, Brenda. Your mother was doing a live, stripping down the baby butt naked. Listen, Diary, you see the video?
No one.
Social media cut out that part, because that
Okay.
part, you could hear one post a blow bubbles in the baby belly. Well, raspberry. And then she said, oh, she love when me kiss her. Mimi, I say, you could hear it.
Yeah,
Social
she
media
said that
take out
part
that
there. She
part.
said that. Yeah, and them. If I did that, you, why would you cut it out? Did I put up everything? No, wouldn't put up that
Exactly.
video
And
there.
put up the naked
Yeah.
baby. So me want to know, oh, Akim, oh, you put me in a this now. Oh, you put me in a it. Oh, you put me in a it and I say, me put your baby on YouTube. Huh? Me put your baby on YouTube. Yo, this a case you go big, you know. The case you go big. As me say, me hear my madman brother say something. Somebody's gonna die. Puss all out. Not me. Not me. Me not go dead. Post. You sit down at Jamaica. And you fuck with everybody. And you think say you're untouchable because you're there upon the hill. The little pinnacle hill. And to enough war in the community. Soldier and police based in the area. So through that now you think say you're untouchable. You fuck with everybody on the internet and sit down and try for bully people. Puss, you can't bully me. Not yet.
Puss a punk. Me can't bother with Puss right now. Me tired of Puss.
Me just,
Puss me
you know,
play.
me never do. When me
Hey.
hear Madonna, me get the clip with Madonna, me laugh. Like, me really feel sorry for Madonna. Really feel sorry for her. Because y'all don't make me a cause of sickness, Madonna. But me have to make you know say you have one lungs. And you have one eye. Because you want your eye them blind. Why is that? Your mother never make you get the tuberculosis
Yes,
injection for a
Wayne.
baby forget.
She did at Jamaica 1 year now. Pussy at Jamaica
1
1 year.
ear, big stink, rusty. Can't even do her ear. Can't even put her one little wig on her head.
Can't do the nails. Can't do nothing. Boy, I don't know. Pussy
Take
at
Cuba
Jamaica, she
pants
can't get
and cut
herself
it.
pepper. America, she can't get herself pepper. Me no boy, me no know.
Yes, we're the ugly girl there, Jamaica. And from Bob, I think about 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock, she did my name right back. Puss, you're not tired. Puss, you're not tired.
No, your
Puss,
name is
oh, you
saliva. It have
think,
to stay in her mouth, Tanya. You have to understand, say
oh, you
your
think,
name is
say you sitting
saliva.
down and you lie. I'm going to ask you something. I'm tired for ask you. If me work over here, my business. If me sell pussy, my business. If me suck wood, my business. It's none of your fucking business.
But what
No,
be
you
weird?
fucking crackhead crew them.
If you do
So
work
what you are
over
trying
here,
to do? You don't realize that you repeat yourself over and over again for the same fuckery. Come with something new, man. You sit down, you're supposed to sit down and I wonder, oh, me I gonna get myself out of that one, yeah. That's what you're supposed to be talking about. Not sitting down and planning with your children them for make Akeem go home. Because Akeem, I promise you, you would have to go home. If you put your hand on me, Akeem, that's why I make sure I report you first. So if me come out of my yard and nobody attack me, I have it on video of Puss, Janet, Benny's, Bailey. Date of birth is 1972, the 8th of July. Me now talk about your address. You're in a Redbridge Borough. Puss, I have your address. Puss, I have your address. What you live now, Puss. I have your address. But I'm not stupid. I'm not going to come on social media and talk out your address and paste up your address. No. But because you don't have no sense, and you think say, you are do me not no for the last time, give up. Full time you have to give up now. So you sit so
When I
low.
work for 2021, she give up.
This is
She go
Fretdem.
find
You
something else
realize
to
that
do.
this is the lowest as low as she got now when she take up her son. So she
Remember,
go
Puss don't
Jamaica
care
for
about
work
her
over
pitney
here.
them. You can't say this are the lowest of the lowest. Cause remember, she
Brother,
send her
she
pitney
have
to go thief. So you have
steady
to
all that.
understand.
No, but you go put your son by your life post. You fucking well know that I don't own social media blender platform. You
Cause why
fucking
you
know
have
that.
up all of your video them unless you're mad?
Exactly. Me I go throw up all the push video them for my blood clot. Remember say me a social media kick off, you know. Cause when time she fake the call, it's a gunman call her. Him put up say the caption was Tanya and her mother said gunman for kill Puss, and I was very upset with social media blender. I said, listen, you are accusing me of doing the crime. Did you see me do the crime? Listen, change it up, put something else. But don't put me and my mother pay a gunman to kill you and Puss. That's not nice.
Right.
And him change it up. You understand? And him say him have a problem in the video him put up, and him have a problem with it. Before message him and tell him say take it down, whatever. I don't own that fucking page. I don't own that
Puss
YouTube
know you
channel.
not on the page. Make she
So the
move
fuck
her
you
ass
tell your
in.
son say me own it for? Your son, hey, Akim, go sit down. Go pick up a grade 1 book. Because at the end of the day, if you did intelligent and have sense, you would have to say your mother what your mother do. Your mother put your baby girl naked on the internet where there's pedophile, nasty mind
And
people.
it's not the first time she do it. Remember, she sent her son to go rob.
She
And
sent
he
her
get him
little
on the
son
time
for
in a
rap.
jail. So, a regular thing she send her pitney them to get
Yeah.
in a trouble.
Instead of you try to figure out how you're gonna get yourself out of this, you tell your son, go on address, go on yard, Pussy don't love your kids. Pussy, you really sit down for your life and do today. Pussy, really? You really want to get Akeem in that trouble, Puss? Fuck hell.
Hmm.
Like, Puss,
I hope
you're
Akeem
sitting down.
think.
This war, you want somebody dead. But me tell you, say, me and my kids, them not dead, you know. You are going to get it, you know. I swear to God and speechless because I have never seen anything like this in my life. I'm a Sagittarius. I have no chill. This is why I say, Suki, sister, I never see this in all my life. Me and people war, our done, and them gone and me gone. This woman get up every day. She find something to bring me down.
Me
Claim she
tired
bring me down.
ass, okay.
She get up now. Loads of video with she and the baby on social media blender. And I don't know. I talk about it on Diary Live. I put up the link because I want to, because why I put up the link, you know? Big pussy Joey and say I lie, me I tell. So I say, okay. Who want to watch the video, go watch it. But me now post it. Because I know say I will get in trouble to do that. Right? So she turned around now her son, somebody must take it off and drop it in her son inbox. She tell her son, say, me. And me, who the blood clot,
Social
page,
media blender.
social media on YouTube. She tell her son, say, me own it. And she fucking well know, say, I don't own it. But because Puss want draw down, how much people, Puss want draw down in the animosity, in the warrior, and them not tell her. She says she win the man, she get the man I choose
Yeah.
her, she'll live the wife life, she happy over here. Happy people do not do what you're doing, Puss. If you were a happy person, You couldn't not sleeping. Getting ugly and ugly. Remember you're ugly now? And y'all get ugly and uglier by the day. Because when
Wickedness.
you're wicked and you're in a contention, how God I go visit your Puss? How God I go send him angel to
God don't
visit
visit
you?
demons.
When you sit down, blaspheming, cussing innocent children, making up story, making a man talk about his mother suck him hood and him suck her pussy like Puss. When you're gonna look into yourself and see, say, somebody is gonna die, but I know it's not me.
You need to stop.
No, and I bury on social media. Bury a female one, bury one name. Queen of social media. Me get that black for 1 year. They put up my video with me. I'm a report him on YouTube. The person who just messaged me, social media blender is not Berry. Berry one name, Queen Berry. Her eye them black like a raccoon because she not sleep. She's not resting. She can't stop think about me and what to do. Every day she get up. So what me gonna do Tanya today now? What me gonna say about Tanya today now?
You have to
Puss,
understand, Puss is a lonely soul. She don't have no life. Even though she
Puss,
have
you
the
don't
man,
see that.
she can't go on Elsha Beach.
You're
She
gonna
can't go
die right
nowhere.
on that live. You're gonna die right on that live because the way how you have me up in your hearts. You just want to hear say you know Satania house pound down and Shanna pity them dead. Can never happen. I'm covered by the God. I don't look at you when you get you and Britney collection playing a voice note claim it's my brother. All right, like come on, brother. Go feed him now. Go feed make him say it. Fretdem, the girl just said, Mom, those Fretdem know that we're turning left. Hey,
Yes.
where's the
Tell the
sister?
girl
You
yes.
just turned 11.
No, the girl is good. No, the girl is the twin.
Oh, shut out that twin baby them.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, me just understand it now. Fretdem, the girls them say, Mom, does Fretdem know that
Yes.
we're turning 11 next week?
Yes, girls.
We ain't.
I will call you girls.
Nobody no want her. Not even you gonna want her. All of this shadow post, you know that. You go
It's
to
a girl.
Jamaica just to hype up to say, you go one ya, you go this post. Me and you know the truth. Me and
Mm.
you know the truth. But I'm tell you, say, no, the truth is gonna come out, you know. It's gonna come out. It's gonna come out. Because it's one time he realized, say, he not gonna Germany. Post couldn't even go and support me Salone. You know. Talk truth. Mama say puss not gonna really puss not come out, you know. Cause she know what she do, you know. She know how people have eyes everywhere and somebody knows somebody has yeah. So she not come out because she don't want she step out and somebody see her where she fuck with people. Especially you go where me somebody send me a clip where me Brittany she said do I ever cuss nobody children? It's on my page. I post it up. I post up the live and you are Uku and you say Kiara suck pussy and cocky. My 15 years old, yeah, class. But now for understanding now, say puss brains is like a walnut. 3/4 of the things that my puss do.
And they have water surround it.
Yes, she don't know what she do. She's a terminator, you know. She only program for destruction and confusion and contention. That's all she program. So she cannot help herself. Program. So when she get up, she just get up and I make plans for what me gonna do that person today. Oh, kind of mystery me gonna make. Up, brass. You can't do nobody not the post. Post. You're wasting your time. All I know, you are going down a road where you're going to regret it. You going to regret it so bad.
But me no know is like Puss go to bed and tell herself, say, yo, me can't wait for morning for light. As morning light, Tanya, red boat. Yo, this serious.
And them not tell her. Them not tired. Them not
Puss
tired
need
to
a
hear this.
job.
If
In
you play a
England,
music, you're going to
she
get tired,
staying at the
right?
house. Jamaica, she staying at the house. Boy, that woman is sick.
This morning, about 3, 4 o'clock in a Jamaica time, she did live until now. Me could have the energy to sit down on a live, talking the same thing in a circle. Round and round and round and round we go.
Puss argument them name recycle, me nah lie.
You recycle yourself over and over. You played a voice note the last year. You draw feet. You know what? Because in the reality, you don't know nothing about me. You don't know. And it hurts you. I have to tell a little sister about, don't tell Diane my business, because Diane I tell it's not only Diane. All your neighbor, I mean the person who live in your house, all them contact me. Me know everything where I go on up a be sure. Panda pillow hilltop there. Where you piss down the
Pissy
wall about
hilltop.
Clark Road and stink it up. Oh, go sit down. You can't fight me. Oh, you gonna fight me, Puss. You gonna do it illegally. Oh, me I fight you. Me I fight you with the law. Me I fight you with the law. You I fight me illegally. So you want to send your son on my yard. You couldn't love your son. You couldn't love your son because we even know what's blood clot good for you. You make Akeem keep out of this. Remember, say, man, come on my yard much time, you know? Oh, I want me to throw Akeem night. If you know what you do, leave your son alone. Leave your children them alone. You do enough. You tear down them entire life, all of the years when them little. All what you call mother than a it's all a stage. It was
Well,
stage.
me Dana go on for her.
Me hear she say, here no. Oh, money dey on the card and me you go ball up. But the money never dey on the card. I wonder if the team push them to sit down and realize say, you know why uno not realize? Because uno corrupt and uno wicked. And uno bad mind me for my life. That's what uno bad mind. So uno gravitate to all of what she's saying. All of what she's saying don't make no sense. Don't. Post the boy crying tired of you. You got tired of you. You got me know some money she give you for your company life. Chat all of your shit them and your things them. But one thing me I tell
And
you,
you promise to
you're not
Germany.
going Germany. You're not. Any European country you go, me I go over there. Me I go over there to immigration with a tacket. You can't
You
survive.
never go all you just call and give
No,
name.
me not call. Me I go there myself. Me no want call. Me no want email. Me I go there with the big blood clot document. Remember when they send out your case, something of them come give my mother. They're here, they're in my house. Something bad is going to come out of this. I can feel it. This will not end. It's okay. Yes, it's not gonna. It's not. That's what Puss want. Puss want somebody die.
So if that's what you go say.
That's what you want. That's what you want. She want death. She tell herself that somebody after dead and kill her dead. Oh, it's not me. Are you sure? You alone I get the trouble, you know? Oh, Remember that me alone you terrorize.
You take
You
you go
terrorize too
money.
much people. Fucking bitch. Eh?
Remember she have you go money, you go crazy one of them day, yeah.
But they realize that nah, if not go nowhere. Tormenting man. You're tormented, you're boring, your life them water down. Nobody know what here. One big swine. You know the black swine them in the bush? When they may attack you, I saw you look. Post, me know you're in a bed today. You couldn't be here because you're on live from before morning. So you know brush teeth, you know beard, you know fresh up yourself, you know sit down as one live done, you press another live. I repeat yourself over and over. Try to get your son. You're trying to get your son in trouble.
Well, let's say
Huh?
my son an idiot.
Jesus Christ.
Okay.
Remember the same thing she do Omar, you know, when she got Jamaica, you know. Started from her life. Oh, Omar one boy and one girl catch up. After she said to Omar, say, walk away, Omar. Omar go up there with her lass and she pick up her lass too. And she said, her spirit said to her, say, what you do? Prison, you want send your son or you want your son dead. What you do? So that's you do now. You think, say, says, I want you to walk away, please. I will not stop begging. It's okay. When last become live?
She give out
I,
her address live. She give her son no Tanya address live. Suki.
yeah. I'm a phone number
Me
she's
not pay
giving
them no
on
mind.
it. You understand? I walk away all the while. I don't pay her no mind. And the video hurt her. The video hurt her because she know she can't go around that baby ever. If them catch a whip on you, that baby there, she done for. So instead of she figure out, she gonna start out that, because she love live, it's the same live, but she depend for morning and eat. Make she could have put on the live and go be the baby in her privacy. Exactly, star. She's putting me and my children them in risk, telling her son to come and shoot me. That's what she's doing. Okay, Puss. We're going down that road. You want something big out of this. You're working for it. Hmm? Oh, Tanya owns social media blender. You fucking well know I don't own it. Talk to your son. Tell your son say you're sorry for put up him baby butt ass naked.
But her son now no sense. Him should have go after she.
It's okay.
Boy, come.
You know, say I'm serious as from today, I now come back on a live. I even do come on live. I just to have fun. Me now come on live because seriously, January not catching me answering posts. I don't care what you do. I just come on here to tell pervert Akeem say if I down that road him wanna go, he go around that road. No, sister, I promise you this time, I swear. Remember she live from morning, you know, with her daughter, and she said this, I'm gonna look. But when me get the call, I'm gonna get the video of her giving out my address and giving out my number, and I tell her son say him to come shoot me. So I already call the police them and report it. Akeem, look out for a visit from the cops them. Come have your address. I have your address. I have your mom address. You think I don't have your mom address?
No,
Me
no,
say we and me not
2021,
live on
nah,
earth.
me never look on them, no.
But why a grandma will want to put up their baby naked auntie, I don't know. And these are the things where people them fear
Because
tell
she's
us.
sick and she don't have no sense, Miss Paulette.
She's
And
dead
my
wrong for
pussy
that.
dumb, you know.
But instead of she try to find a way to get her ass out of it, only things we can program. Tanya. Yes, I mean, everybody know the video is over there, of course. I told you, I post, but I have more things by you, know? Enough things I have by you. I have loads of things on you. I'm always telling say, when me hear the things, them, me just somebody, because that's not my business. But when I enter upon the live, and you want the upon my name, I just go so bloop, 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 with evidence and kick and box you up. And these are the things that you don't like because you sit down there with no proof of what you're saying about me, the allegation and stuff. But everything what I say about you, I have my receipt. I have my receipt. And that's hurt you. Because you want to know, say, oh, that girl you always get the information them right. Always. Wasting your time. Sitting down with your fabricated story. Everything in my life. Oh, Tanya don't have no Christmas tree. You are 8 Sanders. How the fuck you will know if I have Christmas tree or
First
not?
of all, a girl when I have no bed can't tell about no Christmas tree. Fuck.
Your phone I ring Taskas. Yeah. Tanya don't have no Christmas. You think that everything will come out and put on the internet? Love Sanders, what it is to you if me don't have a Christmas blood clot tree? Love Sanders, all right, get a challenge. Put out your Christmas tree. See, can you say your kids them have them present and this? Put out your Christmas tree first. I'm not talk more when you do the video. I'm hear your voice. Oh, Tanya, this is my Christmas tree.
No,
And then
do
say,
it when she
okay.
dip on live. When she dip on live, she just go show the Christmas tree. Shit.
Stop talking about me and stop worrying about my life.
I'm better than people, yeah.
Me hear the blood.
Some
Hey,
people are
sister,
sickness come
me
up.
hear. Hey, I never like to hear Love Sanders' voice. Where me hear her. She don't make no sense. To them, me hear she say, me have to laugh. Kara say, what, mom? I never know that you have people who treat cobweb. She say, oh, when the cobweb them, I have to get somebody to treat. Fucking hell. Cobweb are nasty people. Everybody else have cobweb. Cause they look at daddy long leg spider them. I read a sister say, sis, let me tell you a secret, and not just my sis. I'm addressing everyone on here the only way we can. When a battle in life is when you leave it to God Almighty. You cannot keep speaking about it. You're going. It's true. Leave it to God. True, you taught my sister. Ugly money. Yes, sister, me say, oh, you beat her. It's okay. I'm serious. I promise you this time. Not gonna look at Puss because it's already in the laws and a lot of people are backing me. It's just because she's not in the country. So they're waiting on her to come back. But in the meantime, I should keep on document the videos, the threats, the phone call, all of those things, what she's doing to me and my kids. You understand? Love Sanders. Nobody not treat blood clot cobweb. And nasty people have cobweb in their house cause once you see the Danny land
But
spider,
if
they
she
make
clean
it.
every week, or cobweb just eat up in a flower house,
Exactly.
a all house.
You're gonna
A
use your
all
mop and the
house.
long something them if you clean the car out of the house. Stop clean. Yes, dirty woman. What kind of treat you gonna treat cobweb? Jesus Christ. Well, me that's the look apart me ear. I say, I can't watch no more. Swear me can't. Lord God, never talk about that. Like the woman is a sick. She the next one. Me never like talk about she because she don't make no sense. Lady, you do cleaning. You do cleaning for your living. I'm not bashing people who
I
do
know
cleaning.
exactly. Oh, you come out in a airport. Me can't bother ya, man.
Me can't bother if you talk about she because she a waste of space. She just want in the mix. You gone about your business, nobody now look for you, you drum up. Tanya, me not sell pussy with you. Tanya, me not, then me could have go sell pussy and bring you. Jesus Christ. Then look for nice me did I sell pussy. Me would have carry animal kingdom, a gorilla.
Unless you go get her the
When them
gate for
missing out of
nobody
the
else.
zoo,
The only way you carry her, unless you go
the
put her
10
for
pound
get
of
the
liver
gate
lip
for
mouth.
nobody no come. The only way you carry her, unless you put her at the gate for nobody no come, for nobody no come. That's the only
Jesus
way.
Christ. My
Ugly
love Sanders
fuck.
start me laugh off her. Love Sanders, you cannot cuss me about man and sell pussy. I live with my partner for 15 years. You don't have the lyrics. You don't have, you just like to follow. Be your own, man. I know you get abused and bullied in school. Because who would have liked you? You are the odd child. I always said, you are the one when the teacher said, Tanya and Fretdem and Pretty Girl, you are on the team. Dawn and Baby Lee and Brassy on another team. And then see you, yeah? The teacher said, oh, Sanders, whose team you going to team? And we just look and said, no, we don't want her on my team.
Exactly.
That
Just by the
team up
look.
with the blood clot
That
teacher.
teacher.
Says, I'm so scared for you. Trust me, because this country is not the same. It's getting very dangerous. Here, sister, walk away, please, sister. Ah, she climb up the stairs with the
Oh
backside.
no, Brassy. My page private.
What Brassy I say?
No, she asked me, she said, Fret them your page open or not.
Sister, let me
No,
tell you
mama.
something. We
My
all
page
come to live
private,
and
baby.
die. And if them kill me, Puss I got prison. So anyway, take it. She not gonna get away because they know, the officer them know what she's doing. It's in the system. 1 year I had terrorized me and my kids. So if them
All
come and
right,
shoot me
Suki.
and kill me, Pussy still gonna go to prison for it. You think you're gonna get away? You're gonna go to prison.
Oh,
If nobody
Brassy,
see me
the
and
page
lick me
private,
down.
that's why.
And I can't see the live that one. Oh,
Yeah, the page private.
make Anna send her ads. Yeah, but if Anna, me the panic.
Annie. It's Annie.
Annie, but me the panic she could have come follow. Oh, she probably don't follow me back. That's why. Make she follow me back. Yeah, like fuck out of here, man. Like you just sit down every day on your life looking for something to tear down, Tanya. Oh, me I do this to Puss go
She
wash
better go
your
worry
blood
about.
clot,
She better
crusty
go worry
pussy.
about that her grandpitney too sure she put up
She
online.
better and that she for
And
do.
that she fi go worry about.
And that she for do. The time you step on live I worry about me. And I send your son to come kill me, you go worry about that. To Anna not follow me, that's why. Me follow her, but she don't follow me. Tell her to follow me. She follow me back. She was still alive.
Can't bother with Instagram. Usually it never used to be like that and it just
Yeah, it change up, man. Me not like the new Instagram. Cause of what? TikTok? Is that traffic on TikTok? Instagram for go man allow TikTok man. Be your own safe Instagram man. Oh,
Snapchat's trying to do it.
Allah eh.
Look, everyone wants to be TikTok.
Wait, I Snapchat that?
Yeah.
Me never know so Snapchat do them. I come love what me look at TikTok video. Instagram.
Why does every app try to be TikTok?
You wanna be me. You wanna be me so much, pussy. You want me life. You want me nice children, them. You want this life you will never have. You were born in sin and you come up, have your children, them, and you raise them in sin. You tired, puss? Like me, I get the last rub tonight. I'm serious. I'm not looking at you. Tell your son the page is not my page. Listen to myself. Yeah, me play with toys too. You know I'm a little girl in art. See the happiness in me. Listen, I play with toys. When me ready, me come all the daddy them here. You know a joke. Manda buy me one teddy bear. About 4 years now. She buy me one perfume. For Mother's Day. And me I tell her say nobody can touch a teddy bear there. Manda was like, Mom, it's 4 years now. What I said, listen, it's my baby. When I spread up my bed nice, I just put him in the middle of my bed. But then bad mind Kalia now, she know the
And that
baby,
me go ask if Kali and I
yeah,
pick
the
it up.
tie where they around him neck. She a pop it off and I destroy me baby. I'm say, no man, my teddy bear older than you can't do that to him. Yeah, that's me. That, you know why I'm like that? Because I was raised with my mother and my father. Yes, they split up when I was like 7, but I still get that love and nurture from a baby till that age. And then my mother loves me. My mommy loved me, and I love her. She showed me lots of love. And this is the same way what my mother teach me is the same way me grow my kids them also. Them not supposed to afraid of me. So anybody who abuse them all come to me and talk. Come and make them know me not make them afraid of me. So if nothing bad happen to them don't want to tell me. Fuck out of here, man.
Exactly.
They want to come and tear down my nice, good children. Them, you see my daughter, prefect.
If you
You see them
understand.
over there. Shut up, perfect. The girl alone.
Nobody did say
See?
perfect. Puss are
Fuck
easy
out of
and
here.
puss
My
can't say
daughter, purpose. What
perfect.
that have to do with you? My daughter, no. Perfect. No, me know it's
And
prefect.
a
But me,
perfect, you
what
say a
she said.
prefect.
She said perfect. And me, I use it for her. When you
She not no sense, man.
everything me do, if me cook, you run a follow. If me go out and take a look picture, you run go to the naked self. Tanya, you can't
The
look at
body
this.
good.
Tanya, my body look good. Tanya, you big run well. Tanya, you just big star. Then why you keep on showing my old photos when I was big? Look how much photos I'm putting up now when I'm losing the weight and everything. You're not
But a
showing them.
person with big, you just have a baby. What the hell you talk? Oh,
Tanya, look for me. Oh, if you look like me,
that's about
underneath
my
you come
one.
like when Kendall blood clot
Yes.
crash.
Well, it kind of just fell off my
Puss go stitch up
You
underneath
don't?
your bumble wall, man. Go stitch up your mouth, man.
Miss it.
When no go, man. Go no, man. Go, man. Go look at life, man. When somebody can't torment it, so
So have a life. Puss only have
fucking
breath.
hell.
Puss only have breath, and you should have no life. Sorry.
Me no know me could have never stood up for somebody live. At 20, listen, you make her brass page. Verify that she can't sit down on her live and brass up. Brass, I'm say, what's your name too? Diary page. When them go live, you know how you lost on Instagram? And they have to do. They were like, brass can live right back. No, she don't have, but like, if you do live on a regular base and your page because me, them
You
always
think
I
it's the
report my
best?
page.
No.
I let them report Fretdem page. You say your pages are pages, we knowingly get reports. And you comment on them something there. Big up yourself, Sharon Stone. You're not gonna get it. Puss don't get it. Puss as a life entry person. Hey, any blood
Yeah,
clot
because
baby
they realize
girl
that
that
nothing
you
what
know.
she has said no make sense.
She don't make sense. She don't make sense. I don't want to talk about Tanya, Redwood, Manda, Rallen. And in the fucking reality, you don't know jack shit about me. I
Tell that
never meet
Puss.
you in a life. I meet
Sharon,
my
big up.
dada I would have said 1.5 minutes. The clothes them were already downstairs. When she come, she stand up at the door. I'm honor it. I'm say to her, "Oh, you're short." She's very short and she's fat. And then she have a big chopped in blood clot, black African man. I'm say, Lord Jesus, Puss. How will mother not do that the turbid fish there? And she said, "Oh, that associate, yeah, no, associate like them with the big hood." I would never say that to you about my daughter. Never. And when mother that use half your money and your class, mother that. Oh, and mother that do a lock up and fuck. Don't do not know. And she have to wake up Eureka. Enough time Eureka no go to school. Just move
Wow.
your blood clot and go away. But also your mother that move out to you see your mother that run up the rent. Because housing benefit give mother than £700 a month. And you get 1,000. No. If you that means say una rent a house where 2005 push your chest too high. Your chest too high. How the government will give you a cap for your rent? Them give you 1,000, them give more than a 7. That cover a 4 bedroom. Pussy a rent a 5 bedroom, 6 bedroom, and you can't
I
pay the people
can't
them
pay
rent.
for it. But me want
Because
to know why you
housing
do it so much
benefit nah
bedroom.
pay.
Why you do it so much bedroom? And why you do store
Alright.
garbage?
When you're there, you show the people them private house like a you own it. You're not blood clot own it, a government to pay the rent and them not pay the full rent. I'm say to her, I say, my Jesus, they don't worry. Hey, sis, I'm tell you what I'm saying. You see me no make true me love. Me want hype on people, believe beneath me means. You think say, all right, me, my household entitled to a 5 bedroom. 5. And you think that me, I go come out and go rent to a 5 bedroom. Yes, then my
You are going to
sister,
rent the
you know,
7 bedroom. You're not going to come
sister,
out go rent the 7. I ain't entitled
yeah,
to 5.
sister, you don't know your thing turn up already, you know, sister. Me now go come out and rent a 5 bedroom because them are gonna tell me say I have a cap. So the 5 bedroom, even though I'm entitled in the law's eye to a 5 bedroom property, but if me say no, I'm tired to live in a council property, them not give me the 5 bedroom through it. It said me go rent a 5 bedroom and the rent of it like 5 bedroom on them house are like 3 grand enough for them.
Right.
It depends on the area, you know. You think say housing benefit are gonna help me? What's a fucking man?
No,
These are the things that
because
she do. She rent the people them big house and pile up the rent them.
and
She don't
that's
pay
why she
council
moves so
tax.
irregular.
That's why she move every year and 6 months. So the woman is a tramp. The woman is a tramp. Yes, yes, sister Suki, me know a year that me say you know your thing large. You know your thing large, sister. Eh? But she rent the people them private house and I act like a fear. Where I live, 5-bedroom, very. Aye. Talk truth now, my sister, 4,000 odd. May I tell you, in my area, when I Google it, 3,000. Depends on how the house stay to. So me now gonna come out, come put myself to me one magla and say, yeah, I have a big 5-bedroom. I can't pay the blood clot rent.
All right.
I can't pay the rent.
And can't be steady. That's why every time when she
I
move her
can't be
house, I
steady.
always chucky because she
That's why, and
always ready
every
for
address,
run.
I'm telling you something. Every address she live, blackmail, blacklisted. Because when she move in the address, her daughter do, wow, 220. But now like my council tax, £150 a month. I hear them I say, yeah, that is enough. Wow. Them a be there for you, do, sister. Post, you make all the rack up the credit card them and get your address black. Everywhere you go, you're blacklisted. How you feel? I could never live like that. Father God, any day me
Thank
live
God
so
in
careless
America,
kill
Puss
me.
live because Pussy that run up America because America they no blacklist you. Pussy that run up America to rotted.
Yeah, man, them blacklist her, man. Them black, no. If you live on one property and continuously criminal activities like when them take the people them credit card, them other stuff, and it come
Yeah,
at the address,
yeah.
them blacklist you.
Oh shit.
None can come at your yard.
Wow. That's bad.
Yeah.
And she don't even care, she still a do it.
She don't care, she owe council tax. Tell me say she not pay them. I said to her, I said, Puss,
Unless something them should have stop her benefit.
then our benefit not stop. Our benefit
No, me
stop. She
say
not get
when she
nothing.
never pay them, should have stop it long time.
No, what she do is, remember she not rent the house in her name, you know.
Oh,
So if the house in her, anybody who upon the tenancy agreement,
yeah.
for them name the council tax in her. So she wait name, don't change it over. And if she move in the house and them have the light and gas where you pay every 3 months or every 6 months, she just live and burn light and gas and don't give a fuck. She don't give a fuck. I could never live like that. That's a germ's life. Live it. Huh? You can't manage to pay your bill because you're greedy.
But Puss to can't manage to pay her bill and she don't work, she don't do nothing. She don't have no clothes. But I mean, I understand she.
She don't have no clothes. She don't have nothing. All this blood clot woman thinks a shadow. May I go bring you down. Tanya, may I go bring. Shut the fuck up. Shut up. You're not bringing down nobody.
Bring down God, them
What?
bring down them dirty
I
self.
hit you with the truth. You hit me. You thought they lie against me. When I come out and I speak, I talk about the baby being naked over fucking YouTube. And your big friend Joanne will say she's a professional person who cannot write, cannot spell properly. And she underneath the video type. I say, but Joanne, you did it on the live too. You was on the live when she did it. Post, it's already, everybody know about it. Yes, and it's disturbing. So you consider